Hey there, DocuSign users. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling a common headache: how to add recipients to a DocuSign document after you've already sent it. This is especially relevant in the 2025 version, which has some streamlined updates. Whether you're a business pro or just handling personal docs, this quick guide will save you time and frustration. Let's dive right in. First things first, why would you need to add a recipient after sending? Maybe you forgot someone important, or there was a last-minute change in your team. The good news is, DocuSign makes this process straightforward. Start by logging into your DocuSign account. Once you're in, head to the Documents tab and locate the envelope you sent. It's usually under In Progress or Sent. Click on it to open the details. Next, look for the Recipients section in the envelope summary. In the 2025 update, there's a handy Edit Recipients button. Click that, and you'll see options to add new ones. Enter the email address of the person you want to include, assign them a role like signer or approver, and set any specific requirements, such as where they need to sign. Don't forget to add a custom message if needed to explain the change. After you've added the recipient, hit Save, and then Send Update. DocuSign will automatically notify the new person and keep the document flowing. One tip: if the document has already been partially signed, adding a recipient might require a review, so double-check for any conflicts. This whole process should only take a couple of minutes, keeping your workflow smooth. And there you have it. Adding recipients in DocuSign 2025 is easier than ever. If you follow these steps, you'll avoid delays and keep everything on track. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.